Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Yes, my body go dey hot. Now let my man know what I went through.
You will go through it again.
I will quickly cut the call because I don't know where the...
You will go through it again. The trouble and the problem you caused before, it never finish. You will go through it again. And this time around, anybody who is willing to pass through that same problem with you, go pass through one. Because the same one when you want so cause so, put for grant, can't join the one where you fair cause, is just like the one where you cause where you they start so. Nou we si na. O ye na regbe nou we kasi joto. Na ma e forgive way, ama e gwe bae in your phone. Vera. So you was passing through all this torment inside your house. Your body go the hot. Attack on top of attack. Egbu we ton vera. As you were sagien. E wanave mon nou waya gwan wa se mesagien nou wawanya the red blood. Na gelesi. Now na get the red blood where they suck. Now na get the red blood where they drink. Vera. Again, why you you are using it to do tafia on social media.
They call me. They say that me, my enemy, that bullet go fend meat. Yes. They say that my enemy bullet go fend meat. 2 women tell me that word. Now here for my mouth. Assistant, if I want to tell you, I go pray. God help me.
Go package jam.
God help me.
Go package jam.
I beg go. I beg, I'm not fit.
Who were you fighting for, Dora? What be your name? Vera. Who sent you message? That's the way you they fight for. He send you message where you go they use your head, stay they collect bullet for her. So you was collecting all these bullets inside your house. When you want to enter live video, you will fair pray. After you don't pray, finish enter live video, you call the form of Duga. You will call the form of Duga. They pretend they give the whole world, say all is well. You turn your head to key where they open different doors. They open and they go. Just like what you are about to start again now. Nous we have a swena. A heart attack in on average nous we have the heart attack where this one go give you go last you for 10 generations. Now this one now you will for conjure die leave your children pata. This one where you just this so. Me I talk and say now the time where saga of the old world go tire you now I go beat you way. And that time now I go come for you. Now that time when you go talk say you don't want carry your, you don't want call your mama your mommy again. Vera. Asu wana gbama no unu waya hin Why? You they fight your own fight for social media. You say na person you they fight for. Why did you create that impression? When you know that you was fighting for yourself and bullets where they receive not be small thing. Why were you creating the impression? Vera no more than. Vera no more than. Where is a vie?
I'm not fit.
Me is a luwe Vera. Who do you na? Who do you or even a big chemical? You know so. You will be like dead body with the red chemical on top, so that you go use this one learn. Because nobody go ever receive the bullet where you go receive. Only you now go the receiver for yourself. Vera. What did you cause yourself? Mona, listen to that place. He said before you go enter live video, say body go the hot. Her body go the hot. Or we be what? Or we go big bonny. And the big bino. On yakina muire.
Thank you. Please give thumbs up on YouTube, guys. You understand? Your prayer. You understand? Give thumbs up on YouTube, my people. You understand me, guys? It's God that really stand by me. People, una know na for social media go to people so a back way of wedgie. In winter of where una know they hear. Many people go under.
Hey, my yore one of your word, Lolo Wadoge the Veraka. Vera confess. Ukamuka like be.
I'll say the gather when that gathering is not.
Oh, brother.
Sometimes I go to put prayer point inside talk when I talk. But many people don't know what I was passing through. No. It's only my mom. Cough, one kill my enemy. Cough. I will come outside, they hurt my throat. Like really? My throat. Not only that, they will still bring their witchcraft to the live video. They call me. If I lie, not in private. Just that I don't want to record people with the call. If I lie, my money be this and that. They will say make I remove hands. They say na me be a big witcher. One more went out there. Hey! Jesus! If I lie, so go call me.
May I read one comment for now? Somebody they use a comment from Esther Izobo. Esther Izobo writes for this video, the time when she they do the video, say, the talk don't do before you go talk wetin you not supposed talk. Just do your thing and we will support you. The talk don't do before you go talk wetin you not supposed talk. Do your thing, we go support you. Which talk? And wetin you not supposed talk, we can't the talk. Watan wagyan kamukana my photo wafo. Uka for vera. Then put hand for your neck, may you not talk finish na lie. We am your boya kafu. And the man fo. Menzu wabo. Ya is a lowe do ten okay. You will come talk the one way remain. Before I go leave you. Ya is a zazawe gan. Wolowe banon one. Do ten okay vera. Because you did a very wrong thing. Fighting people on social media who don't even know whether you are on social media. People who have not even talked to you for one day. People who don't even know you. Somebody like me, I keep saying it. I don't know you. Why would you a man who are on Facebook and I beg who one day? He beg who why because why the lowest no matter how you beg with Facebook. I beg who why move a crowd. Why tell no like her? Who why is was or my hand to the why? You they jump on people who not jump on you. Why do we judge? We were bad with Vania. On we come kege a mommy when no way you they fight for the whole world. Now you are not judging her matter. You see how disrespectful you are, children of these days.
Go laugh so I will end the call. Ha! God I fair go God, you do well. Who be this? I be no one to call. Hello, I be no one to call. Hello.
Please no come on that call on from there.
Call on live video. Though they cause. You understand? Though they cause.
Oh, wa vie.
You understand?
Oh, wa toi me ve quoi jo.
Not only that one.
I me ve wa toi ba we vi I we vera.
End video. Many times I put my phone for silent. But I tell Nancy's there.
I me ve.
You can take it as a joke. I
tell
Nancy's there. No. I not tell Nancy's there. Hello.
My mission is to take you back to that cage. Who must so ya lekeji?
Yes, I know. Now the thing where they talk now, I won't just give you some advice. Yeah. I really appreciate that you take come out, say talk your mind, because we all know say you they stand for the truth and you know the truth is cheating. You know they like say person they like to they talk like you know like say make many people gather against person come they you they stand for the truth.
Which person so they gather against and why she can't say she tired? Una know why she say she tired? Because his mommy, according to comments that I've been reading, his mommy settled with the enemy. E vera, wele mi wano konko dem mi wano zo bowe kon wi enko ya. Ani gbi na gbuwa. Vera. You don't see person where they fight before you go see you live on for waste. You go say you no go green. Your so-called mommy for Facebook see people where they fight and they live on. Another celebrative of the so vera. Now you come and come to say, may me we be kokobiri mama, may we leave you alone. Say you know want fight again. We when your turn vera. The shit where you shit you want, you know what I mean, give you, may you chop them again. If they not give you, may you chop her, you will not learn any lesson. How will you learn your lesson if you don't eat your shit? You must eat it. You be like that body where they use chemical to rub, where they won't go put for a grave. The other question when I want to ask you, Vera, you say you know they support your mommy, they talk to people, because your mommy they look for trouble, they go for the whole world. You know they support your mommy, they go fight this war again, because where? Now they put for that position. Now your head is the mope. When your mommy want to fight the whole fight where they grant. Down where I have Vera. Who you say may go fight the fight of your mommy? The one where you talk where they Holland, you know say you don't tire. The one where they Australia, you know say you don't tire. Who we are relocating ya Vera? Iba bola we gbea. Ugu ya gwe mommy when nu ya lekeji nu ya gminafu.
See, this world is very deep because the way your heart they be, not be so another person mind be. People are very wicked in this world. That was why Bible to say we are not fighting against flesh and blood, but against principalities and powers. So
they cry for 2 eyes.
God Almighty will continue to protect you and your family. Just stay away from anything, all those things. Because
that one go hard though. You cannot stay away. We are taking her back there.
If they talk truth,
me, I'm going to take her back there.
They go won't kill you because of Nigerian people don't like truth. Now bad things, evil things, like they like.
It's not a nonsense. Now they Facebook for 1 year when she was talking rubbish, and I was looking at her. This house girl, where I don't even know from nowhere, for almost 2 years. Now she says she don't want follow. She don't want follow her mommy fight again. Where be say we don't turn her head to mop. Where they take they mop the whole shit with the social media. She not say her head na mop. Her head must come mop all the shit with the social media finish. If her head not mop, who want mop? So all the escape, where other people they escape since Vera, the time when they escape, you not quarrel with Ivieri, you not fight Ivieri. You say why you run come off for cage? Why you run come off for cage? Why you well left for the cage? Why ma gwe with Ivieri agulei? Uma gwe Frank Igbina we Frank Aleba. We are left Vera. Walk well at the cage. You why river. All the video where you do those days, I'm coming to start playing all of them one after the other. Me is a luwe. Awe Allah yeke. Wa me if you see trouble another day when they put trouble go ground one go see who sang be living. Edi me aluwe se. Ya we dini yeke. So that next time when you see trouble, people will not call you for saga. When you see the saga, you will take off. Fear will not let you go close to that saga. Especially saga of people who never even look for you, who never even know whether you existed in cyberspace. Those are the kind of saga you don't do. Saga of people who don't know you. Saga of people who have never been close to you one day. Saga of people who have never talked to you. Saga of people who have never even mentioned your name. Those are the kind of saga you don't go close to go and do. You can do saga. You do saga with senses. Like the kind of problem the beating I'm not giving you. Not be me and you, they do saga. The beating where they give you now is the beating you for the nonsense you have done before. Because you wanted me and you to do saga, but you are too small, unfortunately. You are a baby, a child that I cannot fight with. I decided to beat you up when you said you are not tired. That is when I will bring you out and beat you up. All of una, where they fight for una, madam. Una see they reply una. I don't reply you because you people are you are children. But I just know that when you are tired, I will throw my words to you for eternity. I will throw my words to you for eternity. Vera, you are disrespectful. That's one thing I must say about you. You are very disrespectful. Although you disrespected me for almost 2 years, and you are just doing that to your so-called mommy right now. You are disrespecting her. Now her name, you still pretend, say you they fight for person for Facebook. Now you want to become her judge who is not judging her matter. We must see the truth. We must see the truth. Which truth are you looking for? Are you not the same person that was fighting people not to talk about this matter again? Vera, I'm asking you. You not be the same person where they fight the whole world. Say me they not talk about this matter again, whether you consign them. Why are you not judging it and you want to see the truth? Fake people everywhere. Fake supporters everywhere. Pretenders everywhere. This is one thing I don't do. I don't pretend for anyone. Who I am is who I am. But you people, you are fake pretenders, fake supporters. You come out to support a person on social media, but you will be faking it. Looking for your own gain, you'll be fighting their battle that nobody called you to fight. You came out and be a big pretender, Vera. Pretending. The mommy you said you was fighting for, unfortunately, you was taking your own gain. Now, you see the situation on ground, you want to use... Fight where they fight for, everybody don't reject you, put. It's not giving you the money that you want in live streaming. Because you got monetized already. In order to give you money again, now you are here pretending to be the judge of their case so that you can be seeing live streaming. So that people can be watching you. What do you want to judge? Tell me, Vera. They will not judge in the mama can judge with Facebook. They judge it. Ne judge it, Vera. Ou se moi yo wawazu with social media. You leave 5 children, you they talk for social media. Vera! No sohungu. Le dene werowa. No de wu wagman. No gu gwa yivu wa o. O wa wu wakpa gwa tie boa. I me ga hu wa vegeni. I we ne gbeka wo wene. I we ne gbeka wo wene. Ike do mo gungbu we. Ike do amo gunu wa eni emi nu wajaji ike do amo egbu wa we. Ni tama wa ta kokin agbu we. Wa lu hu ataki la yimi Vera. Attack or agbu e. U ga suhubu.
Yeah, Papa. I will just tell you, see me to just leave everything. Me just stay close to God. God will see you through.
Yes. God don't leave her.
Their arrows will not come close to you and your daughter in the name of Jesus.
Amen. Not that one.
Yeah. God will protect you and your family.
Amen. Oh, you too.
What's the problem?
Yeah.
You see how people can pretend. My mommy. People who come out to pledge fake support. Fake people. Fake support. Fake followers. Fake fans. Fake supporters everywhere. Fake supporters everywhere. This little brat came out to come and pledge fake support for her supposed mommy. Nobody they talk for Facebook. Not really what going very awari le wa san la dian wari ye. Not really what going very not really what going mommy ya we ne not going very awari la dian wari na you hu en bi ko yimi le different junction here. Vera. Go ye judge no judge you. Never bear never we bagmo. Why you carry fake support go give your mommy? Why? The muffin are your mate. I be your mate. Lala na your mate. Are we your mate? But you did all those things for no reason. You want to enter house? No way. Esther na your mate. Frank na your mate. Who even know you? Did they call you? The same matter where you fight people for Facebook is what you are not doing. You see the reason why you must suffer for 360 years. The same thing you was fighting everybody for on social media. That is exactly what you are not doing. Now, George Unabi, why not they talk about the matter? What they see for social media? We want to see the truth. What kind of truth are you looking for, Vera? Not demore regboto, not less a me say you want, not less a me say you will say. Tell me what exactly is it you are looking for? What kind of truth is it that you are looking for? What kind of truth is it that you are looking for? Fake supporters. Which truth are you looking for? Fake defenders. People who defend people with fake ambition. Fake intention. Looking for your own personal gain under another person supporting pretense. Supporting pretense. Vera, have you come out to apologize to all the people that you pretendedly insulted for no reason because of fake supporting? You supported your mommy for fake ambition. Your ambition was to grow your page and you knew it. And you never said the truth. You was telling people that Unana they talk truth. Unana they talk truth. Unana they talk truth. Who is not saying the truth, Vera? Didn't you see that we are not the truth tellers? Are you not seeing that I am not a truth teller? But you were a liar. You faked the support of your mama. And you knew it. You was never for them. If you can talk it on your live video to say, now then carry this your children matter come aside for the first time. You forgot all those things the time you was fighting a lost battle. The time you was fighting for your mommy. Oh, when me and me again you see any of you well at me, ni maya isilo la dian vedene na. If you when I yak bu we na, you miss any me yak yan san yak bu obok bu we na. Oh, when me and me again you mugima. Ah, Vera. Koviju we no hama we bontro we no hama ma bontro we. Oviju we to be mo una file kwa yon ta mi ma we monu bi on yara dare bize. Vera. E record oviju we. No ya hama ma ge bize. E ba mi aluwa. Meta mo gana we ruwa agbano ne ana aluwa. Ya vie record ya fe la ni do akpe ya dedegbe. Mo erita e ga ni gbina ya hon wa ya heme. Ma bu wa ye gbe. Wa. Vera. E record no visual ya ha we. If we are busy here moto, ya mo hiare do pe enu dami hoyi. E settlement wana, wa mi obo. Meneri tata, wa mi obo ya settle e in peace. Ya zahu wakwa. Because omo ga nisan dan ye bedan hin onisan. Wa ga mi obo, wa ye return over with me. Tata mo wa mi obo. Ya zanzu wa plan ni here. Obi ju admin anu no dem. Ye ze lu wa ban ya wa vibe so ngina. Eri magwa leji be Facebook na. O wa admin na gbelegbo a ne bio. Wa ti ka ge gbigbi na kokwa. Oh, emonu no hamo boy magmami. I know say me she not beat her mama o. If you want beat him mama, stand put o. Me beat her we. Oni yema e una na e ya na lihi wana. Yema woni ne a we gba ne yemu hu. Me izeluye. Yen woni ne zobo. That is the price she has to pay for me. He go beat her. Not be this same mama in saying the support. The time where he come out, they beat me. What give me evidence, na Vera? What me? Tell me what you saw. They will not do fear me night. Ah, Vera. No, yeah, I don't even know whether I get papa. That's what you said. You said you don't know whether you get papa. Ugbenewe, he's 320 years. 2030. Oh, I give you Israel. Umaganu like Jini Vera Swangbe, Uwebebo. There you Ugbenewe atongbe attacking you wa mi ove ni gbe agye. So you want to become judge over what? Where you tell that people say they don't have the right to talk? Is that what you are not talking? Fake supporters everywhere. Fake supporters everywhere. Thank you, Bodri Toto. Because get as the matter they do me for body. Fake supporters. You see them. When they will come to you, they will say they want to support you. You'll be thinking it's genuine. Some of them. These are one of them. These are one of the fake supporters you see on social media. Coming in the name of saying, I want to come and support my mommy, my mommy. When you start seeing them, especially women, when they call you mommy too much, start running. Run! There's a personal gain they want to take from your life. Tomorrow they'll come tell you, say, why are you calling me mommy? Why I even call you mommy? Were you up to my mommy? Were you up to my mommy? I just call you mommy before you don't know. There are fake supporters. So you were supporting your mommy with fake intentions of building your page. Ah, Vera. Me I buwe. Ya is a gwe ukboto. Is wobo. Oto we ak bekes wobo. Vera u akboto lu nu ladian. Huh? Vera, your children are eating a busy. You are beating Georgie Monica and Lolo case. Ugbonu saloba muni yanari ida eni bio. Uwe ibe gwinya ebo Vera. Go and create your saga. You heard me? Eile yo toto marokba. They are creating saga we. Then uwe neti ewe wo egena heko we yari egwere na gwogwo. You hear me? You say you get power, your chest wide. Ya bwe fone ni Frankie a finish ori ni Stella finish ori ni Dimofia a finish ori ni Lolo. Agbo gbabo. Gbe me na gbabo kai. Awo ya lega we hu. Umi a o ya leba evera. Wa mwe panty be toilet mu la adie kina na leba the kitchen. Wa mwe pot mu ari toilet kina na kpokma. Uya ya kpokma be toilet. Egbe ati oho, egbe ko rani merie. Ni do aje wa bo ho ya nu re tama we na wa aje emeye. Mo ije no jinyare ni amiane. Vera. We di time o marokpa. We joro Paris get to ya domo. Only we wa ukeke. Ya do pe video ni butane. We go back there. I'm taking you back to Egypt. Momu where Egypt? Ya wa mu efi moto. I moto na ami kun mi ya mu efi Egypt. I moto na ami kun mi. E meneri ta ya mu we ya mu e. I mu efi mi ate dobe wa mi mana tie. Ri. Ote we ta ugbo we yule. One go save. Vera. A video when you need more and download. Having video no ya making no sense. He was downloading one after the other. I downloaded all of them. I labeled them. Different title. I put them. I keep them. Now where me said the way. I'll wait for you. Ekejini, you will never come out from there. Go and fight for your mommy. Your mommy need defense. Vera. So you want to sit down and start judging your mommy. Who is your mate? Hey, Lola, you went noah. Where did you went there? Vera. Oh, cool. Wolf, yeah, and we're doing social media and you want to not sit down. We're not yet, or even a chemical wig, you know. It be like said they use chemical to bomb dead body. I see you just now, you be like person where they use chemical band. Or even a chemical band queen. Oh, call me. Make una see me see that I say, he no want enter keji. Oh, ja, la keji. La keji. Agwano. Akpa ye keji re. Agame wu. E working ya. Agame wu. Wu pa ve keji. Me a ize lu weban. Ou we gbe mo a o le la keji gege. Ou we gbe ati mo.
So my beautiful people. So as you can see. So that time the problem was too much because many of them now look me as if I'm evil, as if I be bad person. Una they hear when they talk now, and I don't want to be a bewitcher. I beg. Now God in heaven, now he really stood by me.
Really?
Yes, I'm saying this today. Man, because they cough, he not finish.
Ooh.
He can't. People notice him now if I they lie.
Really?
Someone I remember if you don't block my throat finish. I will not talk like before I know my throat go your powerful. You know that? Because now who get voice, who get throat, now you go talk the truth and stand for the truth. And all those people they look at the other way that no. So I don't want to use my body collect any bullet from anybody. They say everybody should bear his father's name. And after you fought the fight finish, at the end you will not see any of them. All of them hide the fake accounts. So as it been really, I will not see people who really stand, who really show their face the way I do. I stood, I was so bold to stand and show my face. So I beg, many people hide North Africa, many people hide talking without showing their face.
So Vera, the support all of them gave to you in your group is other fake account they were hiding. The time me where Birita were telling you and saying other people were saying they are hiding other fake account to constitute nuisance, were you not saying it's a lie? Vera, didn't you say it's a lie? You not talk saying a lie, say they know they hide under fake account. So what are you not saying? You are repeating what we said. The same reason you insulted me before, you are repeating it again. The same thing that you fought everybody for is exactly what you are not doing. Are you mad? The same reason when you fight everybody for Vera. Now you can't do. You see, say now you not get sense. Not be people where you fight. You see, I say woman magba womwere regboto. Uwe ma ya fen we ga go hon. Again if you na left for keji Vera. We ata. Uma we betrayer no. So what exactly are you now? What kind of name is good for you? Which kind of name can you give to yourself? Do you know that you are worse than a betrayer? But you are even hiding. You don't want to betray straight. You are hiding. Oh, hing bin amowe. I wear there yo. Ik bin Facebook I see any admin because I like wigbe. Mwah. I see any tag me ne. Now George, you want come be.
You know what that means? So we la no we well at yan. We understand. Ove la no we well at yan. We to we ye go. O salo bonu dazi o zebe gbeme. Uda we we ate matter. Uda we emi na emma. Uda wo kemi na emma. Yagele mujade mata emma me na, but they took it as an offense. As an it's like I'm not a bad person.
You are a stupid mumu.
Understand? Like I'm not a bad person. Like I'm an evil person. No. It's not that I'm evil or bad. I don't fear anybody, over or not over.
You.
If I said I want to be on my own, you come for me, I come for you.
You cannot be on your own. That's the problem.
Even though I be 50, I can't be white, be one. So
you na yera. He say mokpa na I wo. Your mommy wa not de bayin. Ebo ho when this time around we la dian be cage. Aka hen we la dian we cage. E grace la your godag more. Now me give you that word. I say when grace come on for your life, you go suffer. It was a promise. It was not a word that was meant to enter the ground. And mind you, I'm not still doing saga with you because you are too small. You have been insulting me for 2 years, which I never replied you. I never answered you. I never fought you back. I never talked to you. I never even answered you. I took you like a child. I took you like a baby that you are. I took you like an illiterate that you are. I took you like a non-entity that you are. That is exactly what I did to you. I ignored you and I waited for this day because I know these days will surely come. I knew that the force of gravity cannot hold a sun that went up not to come down. I know that the force of gravity will take you down. That is exactly what I waited for. And this is the day. The force of gravity has brought you down for me. The force of gravity has brought you down. You are now here. Come and fight. Vera, you want to be a judge. You know your video where I get to analyze. My Facebook go busy way. It go busy this period where unfortunately it's going to make a lot of money. I'm going to use your sister video against your own because this fight will work on one side so that this one will be fighting. Now be fighting for yourself. Your words is going to be against the words of your sister, and we're going to listen to them live and direct. It's going to be very interesting. You know, these two kids are going to learn how to be adults. They're going to learn some lessons. I'm going to teach you guys new things. Your words against your sisters. Yeah, so you guys can never support yourselves in peace. Because your sisters told us a lot of things about you. And we will hear them again. Everything will be born brand new. They will be brand new again. Everything's going to be brand new. We're going to love all the scenario. Everything's going to be sweet. Everything's going to be sweet. We're going to enjoy the moment. We're going to enjoy everything. Everything. Your sister told us a lot of things about you. And now she wants to stand to fight for you. No, she needs to continue fighting against you. That's the only way you can continue to have peace and social space. Not when I am there. You have beaten more than you can chew. All right? I'm going to take you guys back to the gutters where you belong. You have been in the cage, and I will take you back there, darling. There is no escape for you. I'm going to take you back there, darling. You see the reason why you must stand by your words. Why you must be a person of your words. Why you must know how to keep to your promise. Why you must know how to be yourself. Because your words of before are going to work against your words of now. That is how the game is done. Your former videos are going to be played, and your new videos now we're going to do comparison. A lot of work is going to be done, and my Facebook is going to be busy, darling.
We will regret the day they gave birth to you. As I then I know the fear bully or saga whatever. If I hear fame, I'll come mash you hands down.
You have been hearing fame from Frank. You have been hearing fame from Frank. Unfortunately, you don't know how to do saga. Saga is 30s. You don't do saga anyhow. You use brain in doing it. 30s methods. But you don't have method because you are a baby.
Because you say that day, you know, you can't come. You say na me, you won't tell me. I'll make sure I finish you. You understand? So as I say, I want day now. Let me day on my own.
It's a lie.
Yes, make I day. You over me or not over me, let him be. Leave me alone. I don't want to be a gay wager for anybody.
Really, darling?
Because when my own come, I don't go sue go fight. Under a fake account, I don't go sue go do my video reach 10 times.
Are you
to
hearing
make
that?
sure say this matter will quench.
Did you hear that?
Not day.
All right.
I'm openly mama saying it. I'm a bold woman. I don't fear anybody. Only my God I fear. So please, and I make all the good thing when I do all the truth and everything. God saved me. So if I want to speak, I speak. If I don't want to speak, I ignore you.
No.
I just let you go.
Oh, really?
You understand? I just let you go.
Oh, really?
May God let one that call those island like this one now go because he come again. I don't get strength I don't guess I don't want to make anybody add me to it. Let them over me or whatever. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, really, darling?
I've told it before. Because of that, you'll be naming me that one. And I make you to wash my bed. Go. I want to be alone. I want to do my normal.
You say if you know, say you be naming Nokpa. That one you are coming from mom inside. That is why you are washing her. I say you should leave her alone. You don't wash her anymore. She wants to be. Unfortunately, Vera, that is what many people said. That's why I call you foolish. I call you foolish because you have no brain. You are a child. You didn't grow up. You escaped adolescent. You escaped adolescent age. And you went into, I don't know where you went. Are you seeing and listening to yourself? You don't want anybody to come for you. Or every day you keep talking, you keep taking what belongs to people. And you don't want people to come for you. You are judging the matters of other people that you are even telling, saying, if you know, say that because of them, they wash me, not wash me again. So what will you be expecting? No more attacks. You continue to get attacks and attacks on top of attack. This is just the beginning. You go nowhere.
Talk and how I do before. If any issue come on social media, I will have the right to analyze it to my taste. Yes, that is the really particular one will make me stay here. If now you also get on,
I don't get the truth since yesterday. My people, you say you want to find truth.
Even though you are still my enemy, I'll still tell you say now you right for this one. May they leave you. Eddie Kayawe. So I don't want me wahala. You don't too much. You understand? My own painful part is this. May God let me get come. Or that time when they were trying to attack me, it can't hit me. Maybe by now I not go see anybody. Look at when my page went down. I not see any call from anybody. And they refuse. They can't forget say many of them not send out them use and fight for. I don't see help. If not be mama when you open another one.
Now hear that one. He say I not see help. Many of them no say na them I fight for. Excuse me, Vera, you fought Princess Ivierio for this same word that you are now speaking. Why did you fight Princess Ivierio? Many of them no say na them I use and fight for. Princess Ivierio say ubeme yese, and you fought her. Can you just come out and go and apologize to that one? Your apology is needed in many places. Princess Ivierio humbled herself. She do the right thing. Did you come out to do the right thing? Have you apologized to Princess Ivierio for telling her to say, why did you say, na me, na she, na you fight for? But you are not saying the same thing. Are you not saying that you are contradicting yourself in too many ways? Because you are a learner. You are a learner. Vera. On a social media. Yes. You fight Princess Ivie. You say, why Ivie you go to say na in fight for? You insulted that. Have you come to apologize to Ivie? This same judge where you the judge. So now many people talk for this social media where you fight me for. This is exactly what you are doing today. You fought people for the same reason that you are doing now. For the same thing you are doing, standing as we are talking right now, you was on live talking about these two people you wanted no one to talk about. Because now your mommy. But that's what you are doing today. And you are expecting not to receive bullets. Why? Who burned you? Who burned you where they're not the bullet? I be on any bullets away. I got where now me more evidence alone away in the future. Now make people not reply. Somebody like me, I didn't reply you because I want to have more evidence to beat you hands down. To nonsensize you when the time comes. Some people go say, that one will not get life. Now that one may not live. No. If you not live, you not go learn new thing. It need to hurt for your body way. So that you go learn lesson. That is how life is being done. Person will not know something. Now experience, now they teach person. So when experience did not teach this lunatic, what exactly is going to teach her?
If you don't go down, I don't know who you say you want to fight for, you want to stand for the end, people they want to help for God. We don't know that they did social media. This juju matter, they do juju the entire life. Remember, I know they do.
Really?
So I don't know. I don't think go use my pack with I don't know. Then when they know where they for start, where they for him, they go end up for that side. Don't let I beg. You know just say remove my matter for a month. I not take copy. I not take this one. Coco bring my
Lolekia. Remove my matter for your man. Now you give her Lolekia. I been na your mama bona. He tell you say na Lolekia na be name. You see, you want to leave trouble, you increase your trouble. But you don't want trouble. But you invite trouble every 2 minutes to your life. Look at how wayward your family name has become on social media. Egbedan. Egbenana mi omo pa wumbari ibari no pa no ya believe na vile ati gba ore.
No one get less more I will want. I'm not scared of you. I told you last time that even though I said I'm not going to do live video, when I hear friend you want to say, it is that I want to come for Vera. There is a work.
Vera, you have been hearing fame since 3-5 days now. I leave Frank make it beat you for more than 2-3 days. While I was washing, not speaking a word. You not come out. I wish you come out, come follow Frank talk. I forgot to reply you now. Because that was what I wanted. I wanted you to come out and reply him. Then I will take you back to where you said you want to live. Then somebody have taken you exactly back to where you said you want to migrate from. There's no migration on social media. Never. There's no migration. No migration because the time when you go tire, another person go get power and that's where it be. Accept reality and stay away from peoples. If you don't stay away from people and what belongs to them, you will continue to face the reality of social media. So, if I come out, I go beat your hands down. People have been calling you since 2 days now. What is stopping you? And why are you becoming a judge over these two people? You fought the whole social media not to talk in their case, and you are not becoming a judge. And you don't even know how to talk. You are talking like a fool. You look like a dead body that is being chemicaled to be taken to the mortuary for a proper burial. That's exactly what you look like when you are sitting down there. Una not seeing for live video. Be like dead body where they use chemical to rub, where they won't go put for mortuary. May they carry go burial, go give correct burial. You don't migrate. You don't say you are tired. You don't say your attack is too much. If you receive attack, bagbe nu shake ekwa. Nu ha what de shi nu we gbere weather bullet. Area where o da wo ko soja wuje ajo wa wa level. Wa. O da wo ku e soja wuji a level ajo wa bo. Wa hian level da wo ku iwa we like Moses soja o ma be nuje. Another soldier like you will gun you down. That is how it is. Because it's a contract that was signed. You got me? I'm here to remind you of the things you might not know before you started putting your hands inside. You might not know these things. For front of war, if you want to run, another soldier will gun you down. He say, you don't run away. You don't go. That is why you must remain in this war for life. It's a permanent thing. You don't get tired. You don't say you are fed up. You must come out and continue serving your mommy till 2030. After 2030, Vera, I will consider it. You see, this time around, there's no consideration. You must go back to the cage. The time other people were running away from that cage, you was busy fighting all of them. What happened to you? My people, we continue when I come back. I have appointment 1 o'clock. Let me quickly cash it up. I stop at 42. When I can wear you are not going anywhere. Carry your bag. The best thing for you to do is to go back to that your cage. Because people many way go latch you. Because you must learn lesson. Another lunatic like you must not come out tomorrow and misbehave on social space. Another mad person like you must not come out and misbehave on social space. You must learn new things. See you guys soon. Let me come back from my appointment. We continue from where we stop. So you guys can come out and start crying. Tell your sister to get prepared because she's already crying. Tell her to get prepared because her video of past, I'm going to use it against your own. Busy this time around. Her video where she talk about your family, your children, everything is coming. We'll be hearing from the horse's mouth. See you guys very soon.